Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Happy Children's Day to all my viewers of Sarika's Art Fundas. Today is 14 November. 14 November is the birthday of Chacha Nehru and it is celebrated as Children's Day because Chacha Nehru likes the children and the rose flowers very much. So on Children's Day, let us learn bouquet of rose flowers. For creating flower bouquet, we need different color crepe papers, olive green paper for stem and leaves, golden wire, scissor, fevicol and thread. Friends, for creating the flower, we need one rectangle, 3 small squares and 3 big squares. These all we have to cut from the crepe paper. This wire we have to cut in half. Keep it. Then each square we have to fold in the middle. This triangle we are going to fold. Another triangle we will be folding on it. And this part we will fold inside. And these corners we are going to roll behind. This is our pattern. Another pattern also I am showing. Inside triangle, another triangle on it, fold it inside and roll the corners behind, and our pattern is ready. Same way we are going to create all the patterns. For making the flower, we have to twist this wire like balloon and wrap it. Now we are going to take this rectangle fold it in the middle and puff it to make the middle bird of flower. Now we are going to tie it with the thread. Now these 3 small and 3 big petals are ready. This rolled portion will be behind and we are going to join the petals this way. Round way we are going to tie it. Now the bigger petals I have taken. We are tying now 6th petal. Hold it properly and tie. And our flower is ready now. All the colorful flowers we are going to make same way. Friends, all the flowers are ready now with different colors. One multicolor flower also I have prepared and some birds. Now I will show you how to put the stem for the flower. First we have to apply the fevicol in this portion of the flower where we have tied. Then we have to cut one stripe out of olive green crepe paper, and now we are going to wrap it properly and tightly. After some distance, Fevicol you have to apply. Wrap it again. Again 2-3 drops of Fevicol to tighten the stain. In the ending portion also we have to apply the Fevicol, and our stem is ready now. Now I will show you how to stick the leaves. 3 drop Fevicol you have to put. Already I have cut the leaves, one leaf. We can stick this way to give get up for the flowers. It looks nice. See, our all flowers are ready now. Now we can create the bouquet like this. In round way. Some birds also we can arrange in it. Or we can create this bouquet in vertical manner like this. We can wrap the stems on one another. We can arrange the bouquet like this in vertical manner. And if you are having any plastic basket or cane basket in your house, you can arrange in that very nicely. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my video. Thank you very much.